Welcome back, traders, for another day, for another exciting time to give some knowledge regarding, in this particular video, Fibonacci retracements and extensions. I just want to just point out how market mathematics you can use to your benefit what you're trading. All right, and so we'll get started. So in this particular chart right here, you see it is the ES, and it is a daily, and it's given a time frame, right? And so what I did was I did a Fibonacci extension from this low point right here up to point B right here, down to point C right here, and it extended upwards out into the future, right? And so I went ahead and marked the lines on the chart so that we can benefit from these levels from a long-term perspective. Now, on these Fibonacci extension levels, you can see we have the 0%, we have the 61.8 here, the 100 here, the 161.8 here, and the 261.8 here. So you should take note of the fact that those numbers with the 61.8 in them are numbers that you should be mindful of, right? So that was actually the monthly, this was the monthly chart. So what we're going to do, we zoomed in a little further and we went into the daily. So we're going to pull that one up now. And so let's get that in there. Let's see here. All right, so that's the daily. Same ES, 1 year worth of data, right? As you can see over here at the top, 2317, all the way over to the right here, 62318, full year, right? Now, on these dailies, I went ahead and I marked those levels in blue. Now, what I did was I did a Fibonacci retracement with this particular chart. And so I took the low here, extended it up to the high here, and these were the levels that retracement levels that were given, right? And as you can see, we have the 0 at the top, 100 at the bottom, 78 0.6, 61.8, 50%, 38.2, 23.6, right? Now, notice how price action follows those Fibonacci levels. And everything. Now, what I was saying was here, everything to the right of this bar right here, which is the last date would have been printed at 1/29/2018, had not happened yet, right? So just keep that in mind with respect to these levels. Now, you can see how price begins to go down from here, January 29th, 2018, it starts flowing down. This level here, down to this level here, this level, and reaching a point where it's ready to turn and go in the opposite direction. Now, on the upside, this level to this level to this level, right? And as you can see, if you had these levels on your chart in advance, starting with this point down, you could have um, found an entry right in this level here and found a target right in this level here, or maybe this level here, or maybe this level here, all the way down. And we're talking with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trading days. Right? And candles is an important factor when you're using your fib levels. Keep that in mind. Candles you want to use. And so you can see how price action just kind of flows and flows all the way across. Now what I did was I drilled in a little further and I went and I pulled up the hourly chart. So let's do that now. And here is the hourly chart. And I went ahead and I marked those in green. Right? Now, notice certain levels where you have multiple fib levels in the same area. That is what's called confluence. And so whenever you have areas of confluence, those are strong areas where the trend could change and go in the opposite direction. Just keep that in mind. It's very important. And so if you look in here at the hourly chart, same ES. I've just drilled in a little bit here. Look at that. From this level to this level, it stalls a little bit, and then it pops up to the next level. And this price action was not in place when we drew the levels. It's right here to here to here, all the way across. And so you having this information in advance greatly help your trading. And if you're not using fib levels, you should be. You should be. Now, this area on the right, what I did was I drilled in a little further and went from the 1 hour chart to the 15-minute chart. Now, look at this. You're able to see some oranges. I did denote these levels on the 15 in orange. So you see some oranges, some greens. You see these levels here kind of flowing together here. That's confluence areas here. So it flowed from this level to this level, up to here, retraced, went up, traced, went up to the next level, all the way up. See that? So it's clear evidence Fibonacci is alive and well in the markets, what I like to call market mathematics. Look at that. And so just wanted to put this recording together for you so you can get a good idea of what's going on here. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get some information I put together regarding Fibonacci. It will explain these numbers and how these numbers are derived. It's mathematical. It's incredible. And the thing about Fibonacci numbers is, you see over here this price axis, price will actually turn on a Fibonacci number. Now the gurus won't tell you that, but it's just, I've done study after study for years on this, and it's just incredible. Incredible. You could even go down to, well, there's some other information that you could learn also on Fibonacci, but we'll leave it right here today. Hey, listen, if you like this video, then go ahead and please give me a like and subscribe, because I'll be giving out some other videos with teaching you. I'm going to do some on candles and give you an opportunity to get some information on candles. And so just kind of stick by, just kind of hang tight, and put on your seat belts, because I got some pretty interesting information that you could learn from in the days ahead. So we'll leave it there. I want to personally thank you for viewing the video and for liking my channel, and I will see you next time. And until then, happy trading and goodbye for now. Take care. And as a disclaimer, I'd like to say that trading is extremely risky and can result in substantial financial losses. You should never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Trading is a zero-sum game that will have winners and losers. You should seek out the services of a professional dealing in the financial matters before you put your money at risk. The videos that are produced are for educational and entertainment purposes and is not a trade calling service. And you should get properly trained before embarking upon the trading arena. And this is where I give you an opportunity to become a subscriber and get posted when I do put up the videos. I think it will be of benefit to you, to help you. And so just know that there is training for you available to take advantage of. And finally, you'll see a link, two links that I have there. Both are from government sites available for you that to answer any questions that you may have regarding day trading or trading activity that the government posts. All right?